Introducing the 2021 Cupra Formentor VZ EVZ-EH with 245 horsepower and all the bells and whistles. This sleek estate model in grey is a game changer with its 1.4 litre petrol plug-in hybrid electric engine and DSG 5-door auto transmission. Packed with comfort, safety and convenience features, this vehicle is perfect for any journey. From satellite navigation to collision avoidance braking, this car has it all. Plus, it comes with a full multi-point health and safety check, manufacturer servicing, and a comprehensive warranty for peace of mind. Interested? Call us now or visit spiritmotorgroup.ie for more information on this top-of-the-line vehicle.